Nothing makes a house more than a home than a fireplace. And in a modern home, you want a contemporary fireplace. This Seguin Multivision 8000 from Sculpt Fireplaces is absolutely stunning. One of the most beautiful cast iron fireplaces, perfect for the modern home. And to finish off the job, we've installed it with Pivot's Insulated room seal flue kit. Painted black to match the Sculpt Fire, this flue is narrow and inconspicuous. It draws all the attention back to the beautiful frames of the Seguin fireplace. Now, the insulated flue also offers a 90% reduction in noise, giving you a much quieter and warmer living room. Now, above the roofline, the all stainless steel construction is sleek and minimalistic. It also protects against rust and it's perfect for seaside areas. If you're looking for a modern wood heater, check out the stunning Seguin range of fires through Sculpt Fireplaces. And make sure you get installed with Pivot's Insulated room seal flue kit, specially designed for their wood heaters.